to the new circuit. So here we are going to see about the sequencing circuit. A sequence operation by the name itself, it implies that we are going to have two cylinders in the system, and one cylinder is going to extend after the first cylinder is extended. So for an application oriented point of view, we have designated two cylinders to clamp a workpiece and punch a workpiece. So this can also be termed as a punching circuit. And in this circuit, we are using two sequence valve as shown. So first, let us see the uh, components of this system. So the first one is a tank, a pressure relief valve, and a pressure gauge. So, and here we are having two DCVs, a main DCV with two solenoid operated DCV. And the next is for the 4 and 5 are sequence valves, valve 1 and valve 2. And then we are having two cylinders, a cylinder to clamp the workpiece and another cylinder to punch a hole into the workpiece. And we are also having two needle non-return valves present in the circuit. So let us go to the operation of the circuit and see how this system works. The first case, when the pressure is built from the system, uh, from through the compressor and the FRL unit, the pneumatic source enters into the main line. So from this main line, a pressure relief valve is set to 1000 psi, such that when the system pressure inside the system exceeds greater than 1000 psi, the pressure relief valve opens. And from the pressure line main line, the 4 by 3 DCV is activated. It is a tandem center DCV. So we are having two solenoid operated, and the left envelope mode is operated by A and the right envelope mode is operated by B. So let us see, when the left envelope mode of the DCV is activated, the fluid from the pressure main line enters into the system, and when this system, the pressure passes to the cylinder 6 through this non-return valve. When the fluid enters here, we can see that the cylinder extends such that it extends to its maximum port. When this system is extending completes its extension, the pressure inside this system exceeds the pressure set in this sequence valve. So when this sequence valve is activated through this pilot line, the fluid passes to this second cylinder, so that is the punch cylinder, through this line. When this punch cylinder extends, the fluid from the punch cylinder returns back to the tank through the sequence valve 2. And when this cylinder is extended to the maximum, we can see that when the cylinder works over it, and it is returned to the center position through the spring operated mode. When this main DCV is activated through the right envelope mode, we can see the fluid from the main line enters into the retraction portion, that is the rod end of the punch cylinder. So through this, the cylinder retracts back, and we can see the pressure from this system is, after retraction of the cylinder 7, the pressure inside the sequence valve is exceeding the pressure set here. So when this pressure is exceeded, the sequence valve 2 activates this cylinder clamping cylinder, or the cylinder 6, to retract. So by this, a sequence operation is achieved from this circuit. We can see when the first cylinder is extended, then the sequence valve 1 actuates the second cylinder to extend. Likewise, through the right envelope mode, when the second cylinder retracts, the sequence valve 2 actuates the first cylinder to retract. So this is the sequencing circuit. A sequence or a circuit may be achieved by either using cascade circuit or direct through using limit switches. But this circuit is actuated using sequence valve. So this is a sequence circuit by using sequence valves. Thank you.